Anding na naman po ang inyong lingkod. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, gagawin ko naman po yung aking kilay. So, if you wanna know how I do it, please keep on watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please click the subscribe bell button at saka yung subscribe button para na din ma-notify kayo once na mag-upload ako ng bagong video. So, without any further ado, let's get started. And into my Kilay's Life, I will going to put this Anastasia Beverly Hills Deep Brow Pomade in the shade Ash Brown. Ayan, besh. And then I have here the Zoeva Rose Gold 317 Wing Liner. Yan siya mga besh. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo kasi masyado siyang light. Let's get started. Ayan, zoom in lang natin siya. Kita. Mag-adjust ko. Lalagay ko lang tong brush ko. And then, kaya ko ng salamin. Kasi pagka kilay na pinag-uusapan natin, beshies, you know, kailangan perfect yan. First, naglalagay na ako ng line dito sa baba. Yan. And then after nyan, ito naman, and then dito sa taas. And then let's add some more product, and then let's fill in the blank kasi wala nga talaga akong kulay, so kailangan natin siyang lagyan lahat. And then, pagdating dito sa dulo, binabrush up ko lang siya. Kita nyo? Ganyan. Tapos, ginaganyan ko din siya konti. Very, very light lang yung pressure na pagdating dito sa gilid. And then, let's blend some more. Yan, mga beshies. Look, I have my kilay na. Look, this is the before and this is the after. So, yan. Let's do the second one. Let's draw a line, yung pantay dun sa kabila. What's this? Bakit may ganyan? And then here, and let's add some more, and then fill in the blank. Diba, para ka lang grade 1 na nagdodrawing. Beshies, nag-off ang aking camera. So, ayan. Let's continue. And then, let's brush it up. diba? Antay ba? Diba? Pwede ka na ding lumaban sa mga may kilay, beshies. And then, to finish my kilay, I am going to put a brow gel. Ayan po, from Gosh. Ang shade niya is chestnut. So, yan, chestnut. And then, yung bristle niya is very, very small lang din. Maganda talaga tong product na to. And then, what I am going to do is ipabrush ko siya dyan para mag-create siya ng makapal na hair stroke. Ayan. O, diba? Parang hindi na siya diba? Parang hindi na siya dinrowing lang. You know what I mean? And then, ayan. And then, let's do the other side. Ayan, brush lang. Taas. Yan, mga beshies. O, diba? Pak na yung kilay natin. So, that's all for today's video, mga beshies. Yan na ating kilay. I hope you enjoyed this video. And give it a thumbs up if you like this video. And please click subscribe. Bye-bye, mga besh!